Hello everyone, my name is ETP and welcome back to another episode of our Testing Indicator series. Today we are diving into the SSL Channel, a popular trading indicator that can help identify potential buy and sell signals. I will show you how to use it effectively and test it in close to 10,000 trades to see how it performs. Stick around until the end because the results might surprise you. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Let's start by adding the indicator to our TradingView charts. First, click on Indicators, then type SSL Channel and you will find a variety of free indicators that you can use. In my case, I will select this one. By definition, the SSL Channel is a momentum indicator that combines two moving averages to help traders identify market trends. When this green line crosses above the red one, it's a buy signal, and when it crosses below, it's a sell signal. By default, it uses two periods of 10, but as you can see, it prints some fake signals. However, although I would prefer to increase these periods to turn the indicator smoother, this time I will test it with the default settings so you can know the real results of this tool. Now that we understand how the indicator works, let's move on to the backtest. For our testing, I will follow the same approach as usual. I will define our technical system, risk management rules, and testing conditions. The technical system will include using the SSL channel in addition with a 200 period exponential moving average to filter out some fake signals. Here you have an example of a long position where the price is above the 200 EMA, and here you have a short trade example where the price is below the baseline. For the risk management, I will insert the ATR bands indicator with a multiplier of 2. Which will help us set our stop loss levels based on market volatility. As for the testing conditions, we'll backtest the SSL channel on the 30-minute, 1 hour and daily time frames using data from 2022 and 2023 across a diverse asset portfolio including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock. With everything set, let's dive into the backtesting process. While I could go back in time and test everything by hand, as probably all of you will do, I prefer to speed up this process. For that, I'm going to use my premium indicators testing bot, a trading tool that allows me to test dozens of indicators and strategies in seconds and with real results. You can find more information about this tool and how to use it on my new website AlgoTradePro.com, along with a video that explains its features and benefits. Almost 200 traders are using this tool with great feedback, so it's worth checking it out. Once we have set all the conditions, including the SSL channel, the 200 period EMA for baseline and our risk management rules, the trading bot will execute every valid trade on the charts with a respective entry point, stop loss and exit point. Also, you will see the monthly results displayed along with overall statistics for each asset in the Strategy Tester tab. Since I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot executes, which I will use to create my trading journals with all the information about this strategy. I will speed up this part of the video, but feel free to slow it down in the YouTube settings if you want to catch every detail. I will see you in a few seconds. After inserting all the trades into my trading journal, I got an analysis of about 9,300 trades across the 3 different timeframes. In the 30-minute timeframe, after more than 4,500 trades, the SSL channel got a win rate of 47.50% with a net loss of 110%. Here we have got some other stats, and in this table you can analyze the results of every single asset. Below, we have the final equity curve, which was unprofitable. Next, in the 1 hour time frame, the results were very similar, because after more than 4,000 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 47.61% and a net loss of 109%. Here you can find other important metrics, the results of every asset, and as expected, the equity chart was unprofitable as well. Finally, in the daily time frame, after 200 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 53.47% and a net profit of 41%, making this result the best one. Some assets got good stats and the final equity curve was profitable. Overall, based on these results, we can see that the SSL channel, at least under these conditions and default settings, is not very efficient, opposite to what many people claim in other videos online. The best time frame for this indicator in these conditions was the daily one, suggesting that this indicator and strategy may work better in higher time frames. This insight highlights the importance of testing in different market environments to find what works the best. However, keep in mind that these results are based on the specific conditions and settings I used for this test. If you change the conditions, settings, or even the assets, your results may change. So always test your strategies before putting them into practice. I'm not saying this indicator is bad, I'm just pointing out that under these conditions, similar to what others demonstrate online, this strategy tends not to be profitable. It's crucial to stay informed and adapt our strategies as needed, ensuring you are always working with the best possible data. So I want to make sure you are aware of this. In this series, my objective is to simply test different indicators to discover which ones give us more probability of success. Now let's talk about the rankings. After evaluating the SSL channel alongside previous indicators tested in this series, I believe it deserves this spot in our rankings. Tell me in the comments if you agree. This updated table is also available for free on my new website, providing a comprehensive overview of all the indicators tested so far. Simply click on the free content option, scroll down a little bit and click here, where you can find all these details. Also, if you are interested in improving your trading skills or would like to work with me one-on-one, you can explore my services on my website as well. Lastly, I would like to share with you that for trading and investments, I use XTB, which offers fantastic advantages like zero commissions up to $100,000 of monthly volumes. All links with more information are in the description as well. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.